but affected our economy as well. We note the risky road behavior, which includes speeding. We were asking one another during this festive season. We forget and throw caution in the air, forgetting that where we are going, if it is to celebrate this festive season in our rural homes or wherever we have booked our holidays, those destinations do not move. They are not a moving target, so that we speed away to catch up with them. So we are asking for collaboration. We are asking for awareness about our own safety when we set out to go for the festivities. So we are saying, for a seamless coordination, we need to work together, all of us in the justice sector agencies. We need to work with the public. We need to work with the civil societies, organizations, faith-based organizations, the private sector, and all the players to understand that we must observe road safety. We must observe the rule of law so as to avert traffic-related deaths and injuries and congestion during the festive season and beyond. So we, as the NCAJ, while addressing the road carnage, realize that we cannot effectively discharge this responsibility alone. There is no one agency that can succeed, but we must all come together and in a collective commitment with all the Kenyans, including the duty bearers, do the following things that we have resolved to do. Number one, put in place elaborate and diverse measures to enhance road safety, prevent traffic-related deaths, because we realize that most of the times people are innocent in whatever they are doing, either as a pedestrian or sometimes as a driver, but someone else causes that accident. So we must all work together to ensure the smooth movement of persons and goods across the country during the festive season and beyond. We urge Kenyans to observe traffic rules and regulations to avert loss of lives and injuries, and also to reduce and eliminate traffic congestion. Motorists are particularly advised against overspeeding, drunk driving, and overlapping during this season and beyond. Kenyans are encouraged to report issues of concern using the toll-free numbers, which are well known, but I'll repeat them: 999 999 911 and 112. The command center is live 24 hours to receive any report, and the Inspector General of Police hereby confirms that. Number 3, we want to strengthen multi-agency collaboration, coordination, and information sharing for a unified and practical approach to enforcing traffic laws and regulations, and the overall administration of justice during the festive season and beyond. So we want, as number 4, to prioritize joint enforcement and visibility across the country, and especially in high-risk corridors, to handle traffic matters instantly during the festive season. What we want to assure Kenyans is we do not want to cut short their festivity. They will be handled expeditiously, and they will be able to proceed to their destinations. What this will entail is, among other things, we will deploy mobile courts using physical and electronic means as a deterrence and enforcement measure, with cross collaboration between the officers from the National Police Service, ODPP, the Judiciary, NTSA, Kenya Prison Service, EACC, and RSK. Those who will require legal representation will be accorded an opportunity and encouraged to reach out to their advocates within a reasonable time, and we will be sharing the links every day where the mobile traffic courts are operating, so that those who will be charged can quickly contact their lawyers and get online in those courts that are going to be handling these traffic offenses. Number 5, we will increase strategic deployment of roadblocks to intensify vehicle and motorbike inspection. Kenyans are encouraged to ensure that their vehicles and motorbikes are roadworthy before traveling. Particular attention will also be paid to motorbikes violating traffic laws and regulations, including measures to streamline their operations, also not for now, but for posterity. Number 6, EACC, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, will deploy officers along major highways to monitor enforcement of traffic laws and deter corruption. We want to urge Kenyans not to pay any bribe whenever they are arrested for violating traffic laws and regulations. Moreover, there will be monitoring of human rights violations, because all this time, at the center of everything is the protection of the dignity of the human being and their human rights. Number 7, and this is where we call upon the media to be our partner, we want to increase sensitization to all Kenyans and all the other justice sector agencies, transport agencies, road agencies, health sector, the media and community, so that we can all increase preventive measures and avert the deaths associated with traffic accidents. These numbers we have shared are alarming. They are a catastrophe. And it's a high time we all go together to see how we can eliminate traffic accidents. Number 8, we also support individual agencies to undertake their constitutional mandates related to the effective management of traffic and enforcement mechanisms. The health sector is encouraged to put in place standby ambulances for quick response. Number 9, we want to upskill public education, and for this we really want to thank the agencies who have been undertaking public sensitization, especially the National Police Service, with the NTSA, to sensitize the motorists, pedestrians, passengers, on road safety and responsible conduct, particularly during this festive season when travel and associated risk are so high. Number 10, we call upon all the stakeholders to cooperate and engage with this issue of the road traffic accident by reporting where there are incidences that require the support of the law enforcement agencies, and to mobilize personnel and other resources to support the interventions lined up during this festive season. Lastly, we hope to sustain these engagements beyond even the festive season by working on legal, policy, and administrative reforms that are necessary for effective administration of justice related to traffic offenses. I thank you all for attending this press conference. Thank you so much. Unless my colleagues have anything to add.
Mĩario ya Mũcirithania Mũnene Martha Koome ĩgĩmaine na ũrĩa andũ mabatiĩ gũkorwo makĩrora thĩinĩ wa kĩhinda gĩkĩ gĩa thigũkũ, na ngwĩciria ona athuri arĩa tũkĩrĩ nao ro ũndũ ũmwe na mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ timu ya